Hey, welcome back. So today I will be showing you a technique that I use to cut my own long layers. As you can see, the layers that I do have go a little past my shoulder. So I would like to bring them up a little bit and give a bit more shape to my haircut. So to start, I like to part my hair down the back and get any tangles out of my hair with my wet brush. I wear my hair to the side, so I'll be cutting my hair to my part. If you change your part around, you can part your hair down the center for this technique. So I'm starting off by taking a top section of my hair just where my head starts to curve all the way around in a horseshoe shape. This will be how I start the guide for my layers. Pull all of the hair that you section off straight up off of your head. If this is your first time cutting layers, I would suggest taking off small amounts at a time. You can always cut more off, you can't put it back on. I want my layers to start at my shoulders, so I will be cutting off about an inch. I am point cutting to help reduce unevenness and help it blend well. So now that I have done that, I'm checking to see if it lays around my shoulders, which it does. So I'm going to continue blending the layers. I do that by taking a pie section from behind my left ear. I pull the hair up and angle my fingers so that the tips are where the guide is and my knuckles are at the length of my hair. If any of the hair falls out of your section, that's fine, as long as you have the length as a guide. Match the length of the guide you just cut with the length of your hair. Again, point cut to help blend the layers a bit more. Now with the same section, pull the hair straight off the back of the head, again with the tips of your fingers at the guide and your knuckles at the length. Cut off any hair to match the 2 points. You continue doing that all the way to just behind the left ear. If you need to readjust and get a better hold or angle on the hair, don't be afraid to do so. Remember, go slow. Cut off less than what you think is needed and try not to get overwhelmed. So the section above the ear is a little different. You want to make sure and leave the length out. I do this to make sure that I'm not cutting any of the length and rounding off the length that I have around my face. So now that that section is done, I'm going to part my hair down the back and clip it out of the way. In hindsight, I should have done that from the beginning. We will repeat all of that on the other side. This side is a little awkward for me, as you can see, because I am right-handed. If you are right-handed, just go slow. Same for those that are left-handed and it's awkward for the right side. Go slow, keep track of your guide, and you will be okay. Check out how it looks in the mirror. If you notice that any of the hair needs a bit more length taken off or needs more blending, it's okay to go back and do that. Just find the guide and readjust the angle until it's even. I hope this was helpful and a technique that you can use for your own hair at home. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe.